Hi, Mrs. Hensley's friends. You need your October journal. You need a pencil and you need crayons. Okay? October journal, pencil, and crayons. Okay, friends. You've got 2 pages that you've already done in your journal. October the 5th and October the 7th. Okay, so turn to the next page, get your pencil, and write your date. Okay, Mrs. Hensley has it right here. 10-8-20, abbreviation of October, period, figure space, 8, comma, finger space 2020, October, finger space 8, comma, 2020. Okay, and I think I'm going to write 10-8-20 today because I've already written the other 2. Okay, 10-8-20. Look how neatly Mrs. Hensley wrote her date. You can read it, and that's what I want you to make sure you're doing. Okay. I know what I'm going to say today in my journal. I want you guys to see this. Okay, can you see all those colors up there? Maybe I should do it from far away. You might can see it better. Okay, those colors up there. Do you see that? Let me go sideways a little bit. You see those colors? Okay, Mrs. Hensley is going to say something special in my journal today. Hold on just a moment, friends. About that, Mrs. Hensley's friends, the PE teacher came to show me some of your videos, and I loved them. Oh my gosh, I love it when I see you guys doing things from different classes. It made me so happy. Okay, friends, here we go. I have my date. Oh, I showed you my colors. Mrs. Hensley's going to write. Don't know if we can see this or not, but we're going to try. Okay, I'm going to write my. And I'm going to start it with an uppercase letter because that's how we start our sentences, okay? My. Nope, can't see it. I will just go ahead and write with my black today because I don't have any other color over here with me. Okay, so my. Okay, my. Is that the end of my word? My. It is. 2 finger spaces. Favorite. Favorite. Oh, that's a long word. We've got to sound out those sounds. F, isn't it? A. Do you hear an A? Fave. Ooh, that tickles my lips. Fave. V. Favorite. Favor. What do you hear? R. Favorite. Favorite. It. Favorite. Do you hear itch? I. Favorite. T. My favorite. You can't write what Mrs. Hensley writes, remember? Because you have to listen to the sounds you hear, not what Mrs. Hensley hears. I didn't think to tell you that in the other 2 videos. You can't write what Mrs. Hensley writes. Maybe another day you can write what Mrs. Hensley writes, but not the day Mrs. Hensley writes it, okay? My favorite, I think I can probably get color over there. What do you think? Color. Oh, it could be a C. What else could it be? K. Could be a K. But I know it's a C. Okay? 2 finger spaces. K. Do you hear that U? Cull. Do you hear that? O lamp. O-L. Color. Hear an R. Okay, let's read what we have so far. My favorite color is, ooh, is a sight word, so is my. Is, ooh, do you hear itch? I itch, is. Oh, I hear I. Is, S. Who knows what my favorite color is? Do you know what my favorite color is? Some of you might know what my favorite color is. Wonder what my favorite color is. My favorite color. And if you were in the classroom and you were writing this, you could look up there to see how to spell that color. You can't write it today. Remember, not today. Mrs. Hensley's writing it today, and you can't steal what Mrs. Hensley's writing, except you can on another day. Okay, so my favorite color is red. Red. R. Ooh. Ed. Ed. E. It's a vowel. Ed. Dog. D. Okay, my favorite color is red. I'm done. So what do I need to do? I need to end my sentence. And how do I end my sentence? With a period at the end. Okay, just a little dot. Okay, so let's read that again. My favorite color is red. When you're writing your sentence, you're not writing my favorite color is whatever your favorite color is, but you make sure you're putting your 2 finger spaces after every word so your words don't run together. Let me show you what that would look like if I didn't put finger spaces. It would be that looks like one long word, doesn't it? I wouldn't even know how to say that. It says my favorite color is red. My favorite color is red. Riz red. Is that a word? No. So you can't put all your words together because then friends can't read your words. They can't read your writing. That's why you put a finger space after every word. My is a word, so I put a finger space. Favorite is one word, so I put a finger space after it. Color, now I can't put 2 finger spaces. Well, I can, but then I ran out of room, so I had to move down to the next line. Is 2 finger spaces before I write red. Okay, don't forget your 2 finger spaces to separate one word from another word. Okay, because if it's all one long word, we can't read that, can we? It's easier to read my favorite color is red, but this I don't even know. Okay, so make sure you're putting your spaces in between your words. Okay, so I need to draw my picture, right? Let's do that. Let me write my favorite color is, ooh, I can get it all on here, red. Okay, I wrote my words in pencil. Now I'm going to draw. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to draw that up there. Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse's head. Because I can. Right? Because I can. And then I'm going to do it just like Mrs. Hensley did and put red. wrote red. Okay? My favorite color is red. So now, guess what? I have to get my crayons out. First of all, let me ask you guys a question. Did I write my date with a pencil? Yes. Did I draw my picture with a pencil? Yes. Did I write my words with a pencil? Yes. Here, I wrote my words with a pretend pencil because I'm writing on a whiteboard and I can't use a pencil on a whiteboard. Okay, so Mrs. Hensley is going to trace her Mickey Mouse head. And then I'm going to color it, but once again, Mrs. Hensley is not going to waste your time coloring it, okay, while you're here, because you have a journal to get to, right? Okay, when you put your picture of your journal inside the template, Mrs. Hensley wants you to put your picture in. Make sure I can see all of it. Okay, I need to see the date, I need to see your picture, and I need to see your words. I also want you to use the shapes tool, put in your favorite color heart. Okay, now let's do favorite color star. Favorite color star, okay, after you put your picture there, and you can put it anywhere on the page, okay, you can put it anywhere on the page, your favorite color star. So Mrs. Hensley would put a red star, okay, then you make sure you have your picture of your whole page so I can see it close up. Okay, your picture and a voice recording of you telling me what you drew and what you wrote. Okay, I hope you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Make sure you're giving me your best handwriting. Take your time if you need to take your time, and your best coloring. Try your hardest to stay in the lines. Do what Mrs. Hensley does and trace first and then color in. Okay, I don't want to see white. I don't want to see white. Mrs. Hensley will finish coloring and I will show you next week when we have journals again. Okay, have an awesome Thursday and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye, friends.